Hello guys and welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial we'll trace how to insert a new element into an array at the end. So to insert a new element at the end of an array, this is how we'll go about it. In our previous tutorial we discussed how to insert a new element at the beginning of an array. So this will be at the end. Okay, so we'll just lift the same example we used and just make a tweak to it. Okay, so here's how we'll go about it. We need to first save um an array holding this laptop brands. So we can say hold on, wait, I'm in the wrong place here. So okay, hold on. Okay, there we go. Yeah. Okay. So we have what's going on here? So we have Lenovo, we have HP, we have Dell, and we have MacBook. Okay. And we have let's this is how it's going to be. So make it work, we have to use the method push, and we're gonna push Toshiba. Okay, and then I can say console.log laptops, and there we go. Then yeah, then I can save that. Then we can reload. Then Control Shift I. Then look at our array. So we have Lenovo, HP, Dell, MacBook, and Toshiba. Toshiba has been added, and the array has been re-indexed. So yes, guys, that's how we insert a new element at the end of an array, and the push method is responsible for making this possible. Okay, guys, see you in my next tutorial. Bye.